Listen, if your jerk chicken doesn't make your neighbors curious, the smell of that chicken coming through the vents of your kitchen, or even the smoke coming from your grill, you're doing it wrong. Today on Can Jam Cooks, we're making oven-baked jerk chicken with a marinade so good, it might start an argument in your house. First things first, we're going to get that chicken cut up and washed. For our jerk rub, we're going to start off with the base of every good Jamaican marinade. Onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, Scotch bonnet, and the big boy for today, pimento berries. To that, we're going to add some mushroom sauce and soy sauce and a bit of water. And of course, ginger. Once you have all your ingredients washed up, give it a little chop so it doesn't put your blender in a chokehold. Give it a blend until it's smooth. Then we're going to toss it on that chicken. Here you can see me poking holes in the chicken. You don't want to go Friday the 13th Jason, but poke a good amount of holes. That will allow the marinade to seep into the crevices and cracks of the chicken and give it an even deeper depth of flavor. Pour the marinade on the chicken and massage it like it owes you money. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, but for more depth of flavor, you want to go 24 to 48 hours in the refrigerator. To cook the chicken, you're going to need a baking pan or a baking tray with a lip on it because the chicken will spring water, and we're going to use that later on to baste the chicken and also to add to our finishing sauce. Add the remaining marinade to a saucepan and cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes in the oven, we're going to drain the liquid from the chicken and set it aside. We're not wasting any flavor. Add the liquid that we took from the chicken earlier and add it to the remaining marinade.